Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for Starlink Mini users on the move, the Hodeoo Starlink Mini Mount Suction Cup Kit. If you're someone who travels in an RV, drives an SUV, or even enjoys boating adventures, this mount promises to keep your Starlink Mini stable, secure, and connected no matter where your journey takes you. First off, let's talk about the build. The mount is crafted with industrial-strength suction cups made from premium ABS plastic paired with reinforced rubber. This combination gives it a solid grip on a variety of surfaces, from car windows and sunroofs to RV panels and boat decks. Unlike some mounts that wobble or shift, this one is designed to hold your Starlink Mini steady even while driving down bumpy roads or encountering windy conditions. Durability is another key highlight. This mount is built to withstand extreme temperatures. Whether you're facing scorching summer heat or freezing winter conditions, it retains its suction power, ensuring uninterrupted connectivity. The anti-slip and weather-resistant design adds an extra layer of stability so you never have to worry about losing your signal. The Hodeoo mount isn't just tough, it's also thoughtfully engineered to protect your Starlink Mini. The inner gasket is soft, preventing scratches, while absorbing shock and vibrations. This means your device is shielded from minor impacts and even reduces operational noise, giving you a smooth and worry-free experience on the go. Installation couldn't be easier. There's no need for tools. The mount attaches quickly to your vehicle or boat, and just as easily comes off. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store in a glove box or backpack, making it perfect for travelers who need flexibility and portability. Versatility is where this mount truly shines. It can be installed on sunroofs, rear windows, or even roof racks, helping you find the optimal position for signal reception. So whether you're camping in remote areas, cruising offshore, or simply taking a road trip across the country, your Starlink Mini stays securely mounted and fully functional. The design is also low profile, which means it doesn't block your view or create unnecessary bulk. Yet despite its sleek appearance, it provides robust support, ensuring your device remains stable during motion. With this mount, you can keep your Starlink Mini inside the vehicle, reducing the risk of theft or damage, unlike traditional rooftop mounts. In terms of size, it's compact at just over 11 inches in length and weighs just over a pound, making it easy to handle and transport. The mount supports reliable connectivity and is a great solution for those looking to enjoy uninterrupted internet access while on the road or at sea. Overall, the Hodeoo Starlink Mini Mount Suction Cup Kit is a perfect blend of durability, portability, and reliable performance. It's designed for adventurers and travelers who value consistent connectivity and a safe, secure setup for their Starlink Mini. If you're looking for a practical and dependable way to keep your Starlink Mini mounted without fuss or complicated installation, this mount is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Hodeoo Starlink Mini Mount Suction Cup Kit. If you enjoyed this video and want more in-depth product insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell here on Product Critique. Stay connected, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next review.